Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Back plus G plus ham plus on. Backgammon. Backgammon. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show, and a welcome back to our two contestants. Man on my left is John Blaylock. He played in yesterday's show. Lost a game, however, so he's got to make up for that today. The big winner was this lady on my right, Tracy Woolley, who in just 2 games has earned $18,673. And that's very good going on any program. Are you ready for today?
Yes.
What about you, John?
Well, I've got 1 strike, so I'm out for blood this time.
All right. The man is out for blood. That's kind of what's happening over here, I think. Gene?
The Game Room Gallery solid oak game set converts easily from dining table to poker table with 4 comfortable poker chairs featuring a swivel rocker mechanism. The Game Room Gallery furnished by Mikhail Darafi. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Let's show Tracy and John where they will find the game room. The oak table and chairs at number 3. A Holiday in Antigua also. John, over to you. You select first.
Let's look for a trip to Antigua under number 5.
Green take.
Okay, let's try to match that under number 10.
Refrigerator freezer. No match.
Ooh,
Tracy?
that looks kind of nice. Okay, let's try number 12, please.
Video camera.
And hopefully a match under 24.
Green take. No match. John?
I think I remember that take under number 5.
Green
And
take.
number 24 for the match.
There you go. Off to a very good start. A little bit of insurance. And the first look at the puzzle is yours, John. Pick again.
Let's check under the left corner, number 1.
Diamond and sapphire pendant.
Oh, it sounds beautiful. Let's go for a match under number 11.
Oak table and chairs. No match. Tracy, possibility?
Okay, yes, let's try number 3, please.
That's the table and chairs.
And the match under number 11.
There is the match. And the prize goes up in Tracy's column, and we open 2 more doors.
Okay, let's try number 17, please. And a match under number 1. Yes!
Diamond and sapphire pendant for my lady.
Oh, she's mean.
Oh, but wait, you have that cake.
No, she just enjoys jewelry.
I forgot. You have
Let's
that
open
cake.
these 2 panels for Tracy. Select again, please.
Okay, let's try number 9, please.
Silver tea and coffee service.
And number 22. Oh, wow.
Silver tea and coffee service. Oh, wow!
So lucky.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah, this is fun.
And you haven't had to use a wild card. Open these 2
No.
panels for her.
Okay.
Three prizes for Tracy,
Okay.
1 green take for John, but Tracy's in control of the board.
Let's try number 15, please.
An espresso and cappuccino making machine.
And number 16, please.
No, dessert of the month. They would go well together,
Very
obviously.
much so.
John.
Let's see if we can match. I like coffee, so I'd go for that machine under number 19.
Wild
Yeah.
card. Now, what are you going to pair that wild card with? Anything is good on the board.
Anything. Let's just take a shot in the dark. Let's open up the middle of the puzzle at number 13.
13 is a red take.
Oh,
You
another
now have
take.
both takes.
Wow.
The other red take is on the board at number 20. She has the table and chairs, the sapphire and diamond pendant, the silver tea or coffee service.
Diamonds. Let's go for the diamond pendant.
All right. The sapphire and diamond pendant, a lovely piece of jewelry, going over to John's column.
Sorry.
And we will show him 3 pieces of this puzzle. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 8.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
Lots of food under these. Let's see if we can match it up under number 14.
No. Antigua Beach Vacation. Tracy.
Okay, let's try number 18, please.
Antigua.
And a
Beach
match under
Vacation.
number 14. Yes!
You have to hope that John never gets control of the board because he's got the only take that remains in place. Well, there's nothing you can do about it. I mean, you might as well take the chance, make the match, and see if you can solve the puzzle. For instance, now, can you do it?
Buttons and bows.
I have a feeling John's never going to get a chance to use his green tape. Buttons and bows. Tracy is right again. There's 3 prizes up there. Come on, Tracy. Oh, boy, you're on a great roll with that. Explain it.
Butt, the goat's butting, and tons, hand for and bows. So it's butt, tons, and bows.
Buttons and bows. Nice song. John is going to be singing a sad song, unfortunately. He's got his second strike. Good luck in your singing career,
Thank you.
John. We've got some parting gifts for you backstage. Thanks for being with us.
Good luck,
So long.
Tracy.
All right, Tracy.
Okay.
More prizes. I bet you this is a big win again. Gino, tell us all about it.
A silver tea and coffee service. It's an elegant silver plate tea and coffee service with 10-cup earned tea and coffee service, sugar, cream, and waste bowls and footed tray, part of the fine silver collection, furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company, and an Antigua Beach Vacation. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 5 nights at Antigua's DV Anchorage Beach Resort, which gives you a spectacular beach, water sports, tennis courts, and superb seaside dining, where barefoot elegance becomes a way of life, furnished by DV Anchorage. And, of course, the handsome oak table and chairs. And these prizes total a big number, $7,311.
3 games so far, right? You're well over $20,000, and when we come back, you'll have 3/4 of a minute to win a brand new car. 45 seconds on the clock for Tracy Woolley. After this,
Yes.
I bet you are 15 numbered squares, and 45 seconds on the clock for you. Good luck, win a car.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
7, 9,
no,
4, 6,
no,
10, 12,
no.
3, 12,
Right?
13, 15,
No.
14, 1,
Yes.
2, 11,
No.
15, 11,
Yes.
9, 10,
No.
13, 6, 9, 5,
No.
6.
You were so deliberate,
I know, and I
seemed to cloud your mind.
Yes.
However, you want the good news? How about $25,984?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
That sound good for
Yeah,
3
I think,
games?
yeah.
Sounds good to me. 3 or 4 games. We'll take a break. We'll come back after this. Newcomer to the program, guy with a great name, Scott Piscatelli. Hello, Scott.
Nice to meet you.
Did I pronounce it correctly?
You pronounced it correctly.
You're a financial analyst working here in Southern California.
That's
Are you
right.
from this part of the world?
No, I'm not. I'm from Canton, Ohio. Just moved here about 2 months ago.
Canton, Ohio.
That's
I used
right.
to visit some distant relatives many, many years ago and visit the McKinley Memorial.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
And, of course, the Football
Pro
Hall of Fame.
Fund. Right.
You ready to play?
I'm ready to play.
We're
I'm
going to have
ready
just
to be here.
one wild card in this game, so you're going to have to make a lot of natural matches. But if it works out well, you could wind up with this among the prizes.
Designed for all who want quality technology and style, Oki Deluxe Cellular Telephone in a full leather briefcase gives you over 1 hour of continuous talk time and memory dialing, furnished by Oki Telecom. Alex.
1 hour is not enough, Gene. Not enough for Marjorie. No way. Tracy and Scott, take a look. We'll show you where you find the briefcase telephone at number 5. We have a vacation in Quebec, Canada, of course.
Right.
We have the 5 bonus car seconds, as we always do in the second game, and we're starting a new cash pot, seeding it with $500. And Scott, you have the opportunity first.
That phone's going to be great for my new job. Let's look at number 16 for that phone.
Cash
Cash pot.
right off the bat.
$500. Let's try for a match 24, please.
Is it there? No, that's the home business package. Tracy.
Okay, let's try number 7, please.
Quebec,
Yes.
Canada.
And hopefully a match under number 15.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Scott.
Seen a lot of good prizes so far. Let's try number 1.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. I believe that was under number 16.
Yes.
All right. 500 bucks.
500 bucks.
Starting off good, Alex.
Financial analyst is off to a very good start. Take a look at the
That's
puzzle
right.
now, Scott.
No guess at all.
Pick again.
Let's try number 24.
Home business package.
I've already seen that. Let's try for number 15.
5 bonus car seconds. No.
Okay, let's try number 18, please.
Green take.
And number 9.
5 bonus car seconds. Scott.
How about number 15?
How about 50?
And the match, number 9.
Number 9.
All right.
Scott gets that prize going up in his column, but I have a feeling that if Tracy picks up that take, she's going to grab that because she would like to win a new car to add to all of her other winnings, over $25,000. These 2 panels open for Scott Piscatelli. Again,
Let's open it up. Number 7.
Quebec, Canada.
Let's try to match under number 4.
No, that's a briefcase telephone. Tracy?
Okay, let's try number 4, please. And number 5 to match.
4 and 5. You know what happens so often with our contestants is that when the prize we have shown at the beginning of the game is right next to another box, for some reason they're reluctant to go to it. You say, well, it can't be right next door.
They
In
wouldn't
this
do
case, of course, the briefcase telephone was right next door, and as a result, you get a look at the puzzle once again, Tracy. Obviously, it wasn't the right part of the puzzle to reveal, so do some good work elsewhere.
Okay, let's open this up under number 6, please.
Green take.
And let's try number 24.
Is that where we saw the green take? No, the home business package is there. Scott.
I think that green take, 19.
No, scooter and skateboards. That's kind of fun.
Not bad. Number 25 for the match.
No, that is Quebec, Canada. Possibility of a great vacation in the French-Canadian province of Quebec. Tracy?
Okay, let's try number 7, please. And the match under 25. Yes!
Right. Quebec, Canada. La belle province, the beautiful province. 2 more panels swinging open for Tracy Woolley. You have a shot at a vacation in Canada. Tracy, have you ever been there?
No.
No?
I'd love to go.
Oh, you'd love
That'd be
Quebec.
great.
Montreal and Quebec City. Beautiful towns.
Okay.
Select again.
Number 18, please.
Green take.
And number 24? That's not it. I don't know
No,
where
we've
it
been
is.
back to
I've
that home
lost
business
it.
package so often. One of you must really want it. Scott.
How about number 6?
Green
And the
take.
match, number 18.
All right, there we go. Green takes. And notice, folks, he turns immediately to the prizes in Tracy's column.
Quebec.
Quebec.
I thought you wanted the phone
No,
for your
Quebec's
business.
much better,
Okay,
much
fine.
Quebec's much better than the briefcase telephone.
That's right.
Study the puzzle carefully, Scott. Take a look. Can you figure this out? Select again.
Let's try number 10.
Scooter and skateboards.
And the match under number 19.
Is that where we saw them?
Yes.
It is. A little bit more of this
great.
puzzle is about to be
prize.
revealed to our challengers. Scott Piscatelli.
Wow.
Wow, indeed. Select again.
Let's try number 23.
Red take.
That would be nice.
And there is still that wild card on the board.
That
Remember,
would
just
be
the one
nice.
in this game, but it's still up there.
Let's try number 21.
Diamond necklace. No match. Tracy.
Let's try number 2, please.
Wild
Oh,
card.
okay.
Now, what are you going to do with the wild card?
Number 21.
Diamond necklace.
Yeah.
Interesting. You had a bit of a dilemma there. You had a choice between the diamond necklace and trying to pick up the red take, and I
Yeah.
thought that's what you might do in order to get the Quebec vacation. The other diamond necklace on the board at number 8. 3 panels swinging open right now for Tracy Woolley, who is very good in this part of our game. Pick Take again.
13, please.
Red take.
I don't remember. Number 23.
Ooh, are you going to love this? Are you going to love this? You follow that, folks? Oh, I don't remember, but I'll just pick the right number anyway. The red take is here. The green is gone.
Let's use it. Let's go for Quebec.
Now, wait a minute.
No, wait. No, you're right. You're right.
Think about it. You've got the vacation, you've got the cash pot, and you've got the 5 bonus car seconds. This is a tough call. No.
Skateboard.
What you're missing, folks, hang on, folks. What you're missing right now is that her opponent is saying, take the skateboards, take the scooter and skateboards. Tracy, what are you going to use it for?
The car seconds.
The 5 bonus car seconds. Passing up an opportunity to visit La Belle Province de Québec. But she may have just ensured herself a victory in the car round if she gets to the winner's circle. Let's open these 2 panels.
A grandstand play.
A grandstand play. Yes.
Okay.
And perhaps a brand new car as well for this grandstand play. Come on, Tracy. Well done.
Okay. We have the A with the R and then the hand of the clock. So it's A grand stand for the music stand. And then we have the P plus the lay, a grandstand play.
You are good at this part of the game. I've said that already, but by golly, I'm sincere. Scott, you've got only 1 strike against you, so we will see you in the next game.
I'll be back.
You may not be facing this lady because I have a feeling she's going to win a car.
Good.
And the prize you have won in this game, of course, the 5 bonus car seconds, and you won the briefcase telephone.
Oh, I did.
Yes, you
I
did.
forgot that. Okay.
Yeah. And when we come back, we'll see if you can win that car. Fascinating one in that it presented Tracy here with a dilemma not usually faced by our contestants. So often in games, as you know, you've watched the program in the past, when a player gets one of the takes, it's a relatively simple thing. You go for the trip, you go for this, you go for that. There's always one prize that stands out. But in that game, you had that choice. You had the cash pot, you had the holiday in Canada, or the 5 bonus car seconds.
And
you
the
haven't... Yeah, and the skateboards, yeah. Well, we eliminated that early on. But, you know, this may work out for you because you've come very close in the past, and if you can get off to a good start this time, I have a feeling you are going to add to your $28,000 in prizes. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. The clock would have been at 50 seconds, but with the 5 bonus seconds, it goes to 55, Tracy.
Okay.
So good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
4, 2,
Yes.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
1, 8,
Yes. Good start.
9, 5,
It's 5. Yes.
7, 6,
No.
3, 10,
Yes.
11, 12,
No.
7, 12,
No.
6, 12,
Right.
13, 11,
No.
14, 7,
Yes.
11, 15,
No.
13, 15.
Yeah. And you didn't even need the 5 seconds. Isn't that amazing?
I wanted the regular so bad.
Really? Well, you got it. And here's Gene to tell you exactly what you have won.
Tracy, you just won this Jeep Wrangler Soft Top. Features a 4.0-liter i6 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and power steering furnished by Jeep. A prize worth over $15,200.
Expensive vehicles up there, Tracy. And it brings your total when we add the 2 holidays, the Hilton Head Vacation and the other holiday in the Caribbean and all the other prizes to $43,273. Way to go, Tracy. Let us take a break after we hear from Gene, and then we'll come back to chat with this young lady.
Some of today's participants may receive Gold's Gym, a choice of his or her famous sportswear, footwear, nutritional supplements, and membership certificate to help keep you healthy, trim, and in style, furnished by Gold's Gym. We'll be back to classic concentration in just a moment.
To be trying to put words into our champion's mouth, but this has been some kind of a dream appearance on Classic Concentration. In 2 days, this lady has averaged $7,000 per game. You didn't lose a game.
No.
And you won the car that you wanted to win.
Yes. I know, it's amazing.
And how old are you?
27.
Oh, God, 27. So successful at 27. $43,000 is what she's taking away from our program. Congratulations. Much happiness to you, Tracy. And we'll have a new player on the show next time out. See you then.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.